loss of chapter 11, money. These two words, profit and loss, you must be quite familiar with profit and loss. You must have heard from your father कि this time हमारी firm में इतना profit हुआ है और this much is loss. Yes, you must have heard these two words in English when you were doing opposites. Yes, these two words you people are quite familiar with profit and loss. So let's start profit and loss by using some examples. Yes, there is a boy Rahul. Yes, he purchased a cycle of rupees 1500. उसने एक साइकिल परचेज की 1500 की एंड ही वेंट टू हिज फ्रेंड रौनक. वो साइकिल दिखाने के लिए अपने फ्रेंड रौनक के पास गया. यस, रौनक वाज क्वाइट एक्साइटेड बाय वाचिंग दैट साइकिल. ही वांटेड कि काश मेरे पास भी ऐसा साइकिल होता. सो ही ऑफर्ड हिम कि आई विल परचेज दिस साइकिल फॉर रुपीज 2000. यस, नाउ रौनक इज गिविंग द प्राइस 2000 टू Rahul. So Rahul sold it to Ronak at rupees 2000. He purchased the cycle for rupees 1500 and sold it at rupees 2000. So what is it? Profit or loss? Profit. Yes. When profit of rupees, let's see. So selling price is greater than cost price. The amount which he purchased for cycle, by which he purchased the cycle is called cost price, and the amount he sold it to Ronak is called selling price. जितने की वो बेच रहा है उसको selling price कहते हैं, and the amount by which he purchased the cycle, जितने की वो खरीद रहा है उसको cost price कहते हैं. When selling price is greater than cost price is profit. So what is the formula? Selling price minus cost price. Yes. So the amount is 2000 minus 1500. So the profit is rupees 500. राहुल ने कितना profit earn किया? Rupees 500. Now let's see the same example in case of loss. Now Rahul purchased the cycle for rupees 2000. राहुल ने 2000 की साइकिल परचेज करी. He used it for a month. उसने 1 month के लिए साइकिल यूज करी and then he went to Ronak and Ronak said कि मैं तेरी साइकिल 1800 में खरीद लेता हूँ. So Ronak paid rupees 1800 to Rahul. Now what is this? He purchased the cycle. Cost price is 2000. And he sold it at 1800. Selling price is 1800. So what is the cost price is greater than selling price? It means it is loss. जब cost price बड़ा होता है selling price से तो it means there is loss. So loss of how much rupees? 2000 minus 1800. So it is rupees 200. Yes. Let's see some of the terms before moving ahead with questions. First is the price at which the item is bought is called cost price, और हम इसको CP भी कहते हैं. The price at which the item is sold, जिस price पे we are selling to the other person, that is called selling price, and we write as SP in short form. And when selling price is greater than cost price, जब selling price cost price से बड़ा होता है, then there is profit. Profit, what is the formula of profit? Selling price minus cost price. When cost price is greater than selling price, there is loss. Loss formula is cost price minus selling price. And what is the formula of cost price in case of profit? Selling price minus profit, and selling price plus loss in case of loss. जब भी cost price निकालना है, we will subtract profit and we will add loss in selling price. Now what is the formula of selling price in case of profit? Cost price plus profit. Cost price minus loss in case of loss. Yes. Let's see the question number 1. You have to find profit or loss in these two cases. First is cost price is given to you 126 and selling price is 188. Here you can see selling price is greater than cost price. जब भी selling price greater होता है तो it means it is profit. So the formula of profit is selling price minus cost price. It will be 188 minus 126. So it will be 262 rupees 62. Yes. Now moving to next part. Selling price is 1800, cost price is 2400. Here you can see cost price is greater than selling price. It means there is loss. जब भी cost price बड़ा होगा तो it means it is loss. So cost price minus selling price. It will be 2400 minus 1800. It will be rupees 600. I hope the concept of profit and loss is clear to you. Now moving to next question. In this question, what is there? कि Raman has bought a cycle. Raman ने एक cycle purchase की. The cost price is 2580 and he sold it at a profit of rupees 845. He sold it at profit. फायदे में बेची. Now you have to find out the selling price. Selling price, children, as we know कि in profit selling price is greater than cost price. We know that. तो how you will find selling price in case of profit? ज़्यादा ही होगा cost price से. तो ज़्यादा के लिए we will just plus it. Cost price, selling price will be in case of profit. The formula of selling price is cost price plus profit. You will add these two. The cost price is given to you 2580 and the profit is 845. Now after adding you will get 0 plus 5 5, 8 plus 4 12, 13 1 4, 3 4 2 5. So the selling price is rupees 3425. He purchased the cycle for rupees 2580. He sold it for rupees 3425 and gained a profit of rupees 845. इतने की साइकिल परचेज की, इतने की बेच दी और इतना प्रॉफिट हो गया. Yes. Now moving to next question. Apurva sold a piano at rupees 6595 and there was loss in selling it rupees 325. In case of loss, as we know that the cost price is greater than selling price. So how we will get cost price? Formula of cost price in case of loss is selling price plus loss. It will be 6595 plus 325. 5 plus 5, 10, 9, 10, 12. 5 plus 3, 8 means the cost. So the cost price is rupees 6920 and selling price is this. Loss is given to you this. Cost price is you will get by adding selling price plus loss. It will be 6920.